You truly don't need all the hundreds of things that people normally think that they need to take care of a baby. I took 12 hours of the day, really more like 24, and I tracked every single little thing that I used to take care of my 2-month-old. I think that you're going to be shocked by how little I actually used. Honestly, I even checked myself. So if you're a first-time mom, soon-to-be mom, or if you're a mom who just feels so overwhelmed by all the stuff you have, watch this video and you will see how little it actually takes in order to take care of a little baby. First, I'm just going to run through our day, and then I will give a whole entire list of every single thing that I use, and the timestamps will be below if you want to jump ahead. So our day started by waking up in bed. She sleeps with me, so we don't need a crib or a bassinet or anything like that. And I fed her, changed her. When we're at home, we wear cloth diapers, so that is what she was wearing. And then I decided to change her outfit as well because we were going to my mom's later and I just wanted her to have something cute on. There was no actual need to change her outfit. She totally could have worn what she wore to bed, but I just felt like changing her. I also wanted to get some cleaning done before we left, so I definitely used a baby Bjorn to strap her to my body to clean around the house. This is truly a lifesaver, especially when you have two. I'm always wearing this. I don't know how I'd get out of the house with a 2-month-old and a 2-year-old and survive without it. So before I went over to my mom's, before we left the house, I also packed up our diaper bag. So I definitely needed a backpack or bag of some kind, and then diapers to change into, potentially an extra outfit in case she blew out that outfit that she was in. And I also carry a burp rag and wipes. Before I left, I did have to change her diaper again to a disposable. The cloth diaper actually wasn't dirty that she was in, and so I got to keep that one to use for later. But anytime we leave the house or we're out doing something, she's going to wear a disposable, so I needed that to be on her along with some in our backpack. So while I was at my mom's, I did end up using a burp rag at one point. I used a blanket at a point, but other than that, I did not use anything except for me or my mom or my grandma holding her. So there was not much to it. There were no toys that were involved, no sound machine, no bouncer, no chair, no video camera, nothing like that. None of that was necessary. Plus, I only breastfeed, so there was no need for formula or bottles or any of that kind of stuff either. When I got home, I changed her diaper again. We went back to cloth diapers per usual when we are in our house. And then I also ended up changing her outfit. She did not blow it out, which is kind of crazy, but I just didn't want that like cutesy outfit for her to wear to bed. Plus, I only give her a bath every other day unless she has some type of blowout or she pees everywhere or anything like that. Then I would give her a bath. But aside from that, I only give her a bath every other day, which this day ended up being a day that she didn't need one. So we didn't need any of the bath stuff either. Just a new outfit to go to bed in. I also lotioned her up with some homemade lotion, which I really love. And I think it just works so much better than any lotion I've ever bought for a baby. So that is definitely something I recommend you making, and if you want the recipe, I will put it below in the description. So that was really all I used. I was honestly pretty shocked that that was all it took to take care of her, and I'm just going to give a quick rundown of all the different items. I used 3 cloth diapers, 3 disposable diapers, milk from my breast, who knows how many times, I truly lost count, socks, a cute outfit to wear during the day, a outfit to wear at night, 1 burp rag, 1 blanket, 1 backpack, car seat to get to and from my mom's house, homemade lotion, doggy disposable bags, and wipes. I really hope this video showed you that you really don't need as much as you think. If there's anything that shocked you that I did not use, let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.